guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Guys, it's almost the end. I am filming the last videos. But not the two last ones because they will be very special. I think both videos in English and French, they will go live the same day at the same hour, and because they are very special and I cannot wait to share my last two unboxings with you. Today we will have some Gucci, some vintage Gucci. I just unboxed on my French channel, so I already put the box away, but we don't care about the box, we care about the bag. You guys can see the handle, and I received it in this beautiful vintage pre-loved Gucci dust bag, which is in satin, you know, this beautiful soft fabric, really shiny. Franchement, this can be a handbag. I think you just put a longer, you know, like string, drawstring, je sais pas, and you have a beautiful soft dancing night Gucci bag. Hein? Come on, I think, really, I think if they, today the Gucci dust bags, they are not like this, but I think if they did it again, everybody would remix it in handbags, because come on, this is gorgeous. I love it. Let me show the bag, but I love the dust bag. Guys, open your eyes, attention, let's take the sunglasses. Look at this beautiful, this is the back. Vintage lime citrus sparkling Gucci canvas cotton bag. Can you see the GGs on it? I am in love. This has such Prada reedition 2005 vibe, but you know, like, can you see what I mean? But this one is a little bit longer, I mean taller. So you have this beautiful rounded pocket here, little zip. You inside it's a beige fabric, and then let me close it. You open here and you have again the beige lining, a zip pocket, the Gucci made in Italy tag, and voila, this bag, I bought it because of the color. When I saw it, I was like, mon Dieu, God, mamma mia, I need it. This beautiful lime color will go so well. Let me take the dust bag again with like black and with you know, like brown chew. I don't know, I should try with like a beige or caramel or gray. With gray is gonna be amazing. Oh la 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 la, I really need to lose weight so I can buy, you know, suits and Babsy. I think my next challenge will be Babsy goes to fit in her vintage Chanel and Escada blazers, because I have so many. You guys, if you think I'm crazy with, you know, bags, this is nothing in comparison to my vintage you know, clothes collection. The problem is that I bought them, it was like tight. Now I cannot even fit one finger, and I really need to do something. So I don't know, Babsy Goes Fit might appear on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok. I don't know, because I need to fit in my blazers with my bags and, you know, be like myself. But coming back to the bag, so I love this citrus bag. Let me show you guys a few mud shots. So this bag I bought on Vinted.fr, which is this European website. I think I bought, it was listed for 350 and I think I got it for 300, which is, I think it's a nice price for, you know, a Gucci bag in Canva, and you know, really, you know, it's looking like really good, and voila, that's, you know, that's the thing. And I think, unfortunately, I don't know what's the name of, you know, this bag, but I love the back. I think I will wear it like this. I just love this, you know, super simple look. And yeah, if you guys follow a little bit, you know, the vintage collections, they are really going in the history to pick and bring back some designs. So this is something I can see they will release for 2000, 2500, and everybody will want one. And sorry, but Papsi she has an addiction, but she knows how to shop and to save money. So yes to vintage, yes to secondhand, when you can grab these kind of beauties. Guys, let me know what you think about it in the comment box down below. And if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm sure you don't wanna miss what is coming. The last 2 days will be epic. So guys, je vous embrasse. I see you tomorrow, and thank you for being here and supporting this crazy shopper that I am. Bisous, bisous, bisous. À demain. Bye.